Get around rental car honest review watch before using. Most people think renting a car always means standing in long lines at airport counters. But the surprising truth is that peer-to-peer car sharing is changing everything, and GetAround is one of the biggest players in the space. GetAround is a car sharing platform that lets you rent cars directly from local car owners. Instead of going to a traditional rental agency, you book a nearby vehicle through the app and unlock it with your phone. Here's what most people get wrong. They think it's risky to rent from private owners, but GetAround includes insurance coverage, identity verification, and secure in-app communication to protect both renters and car owners. The booking process is simple. You choose a car, pick your rental time, and unlock it through the app. Many cars are available 24 hours a day, making it convenient for early morning or late night travel. One of the biggest advantages is price. GetAround often costs less than traditional rental agencies, especially for short trips or daily rentals in cities. You also avoid counter lines and paperwork. However, the surprising truth is that availability can vary by city. In smaller towns, options may be limited, and because these are personal vehicles, cleanliness and condition can vary between listings. GetAround is best for city travelers, weekend trips, and people who need a car for a few hours or a few days. It is especially useful if you want flexible pickup locations instead of airport-only rentals. The surprising truth is that car ownership is becoming less necessary in many cities. Platforms like GetAround are making access more important than ownership. If you want fast, flexible, and often cheaper rentals, GetAround is worth exploring. Subscribe to the channel for more travel hacks, honest reviews, and ways to save money on the road.